Pretty much I was looking for more information on how to get into being a developer. That's the goal. Right now I'm wholesaling to developers and trying to meet more developers, but that's the gist of it. I was just trying to learn more. I will tell you, it was very informative. He was very, very detailed in the information he was giving. I didn't expect it to be so detailed as far as what I got. There are some little things that he gave me as far as like things to do with your phone or the industry, or as far as for sale by owners, the statistics, like how deep. It's like he can go to he breaks down things that are very complex and brings it down to a place where I can understand. I would say implementing right away, driving for dollars, trying to call the lists, making sure that I have a Google Voice number and how to fix that Google Voice number so I can go ahead and get that done. Those are the things I can apply right away. Also talking to private lenders or trying to get private money, knowing how to do that, yeah. Seeing him on TV and actually seeing him here in person was great because he's totally different from TV. There's him, hey, go, go, go. But here he's really informative and is really trying to teach you and trying to get you to understand what to do next. Not just leave without doing something, but as soon as you leave, go do something right away. I would say more information if you want to learn. This was really great. This was great information that he was giving. You should come to this event if you want to know more about development, about how to reach your goals. Yeah, John's knowledge he's top tier. He's definitely top tier. I could tell because, I've went to a couple events, but not many. And the people that I did go to, it was a lot of fluff. This was really straight to business. It was really no fluff at all. He got to it, and he gave me things I can go and implement. They were good. Yeah, it could make, I would say long term, I would think that you can actually go pretty far with his knowledge and his mentorship.